Hello friend, this is Namrata here. Today I am going to introduce chapter clothes with the help of PowerPoint presentation. Clothes. In this module, you will learn about need of clothes, fibers used for making clothes and care of clothes. First of all, we will talk about the history of clothes, history behind the clothes. As you know, long ago, man lived in jungles and caves. They didn't wear clothes like us. They covered their bodies using animal skin, leaves and bark of trees. Gradually, they learned to weave clothes using natural fibers. नेक्स्ट वाई डू वी वियर क्लोथ्स. हम कपड़े क्यों पहनते हैं, हमें कपड़े पहनने की क्या ज़रूरत है. एज वी नो दैट फूड, हाउसिंग एंड क्लोथिंग, दीज आर आर बेसिक नीड्स. सो वी वियर different types of clothes to protect our body and make us look smart. They also protect us from sun's heat, cold, rain and from insect bites. We wear different types of clothes according to seasons, occasion, etc. Like in summer season, we mainly prefer to wear cotton clothes, as cotton clothes are made using the fiber of cotton flower. Cotton fabric is very light and water absorbent. It allows air to pass through and absorb the sweat and help us to keep us cool. Similarly, in winter season, we mainly prefer to wear woolen clothes. Sweater or warm clothes are made with wool fiber. It is obtained from sheep or other animals with thick fur. Wool fiber is very thick and absorbs heat. It keeps our body warm. And in rainy season, we keep umbrella and raincoat with us. Raincoats are made with plastic fiber. It is a man-made fiber using plastic. It doesn't allow water or air to pass through. It is very waterproof. Different clothes according to different professions. We wear different clothes in school and at home. People in some professions wear uniform to work. We can identify the profession by their uniform. People living in different regions wear different types of clothes. The kind of dresses they wear depends upon the climate and tradition of the region. In this picture you can see students have worn uniform and different types of dresses. We can also easily identify the profession by seeing their uniform. People also wear the different kind of dresses. It depends upon the climate and traditions of the region. Next is fibers used for making clothes. What are fibers? Clothes are made of thin, long threads known as fibers. There are two types of fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers, as the name suggests, obtained from plants and animals. For example, cotton, jute, wool, silk, etc. Synthetic fibers, these are man-made fibers. Also, we can also say man-made fibers. For example, nylon, rayon, etc. One more thing about synthetic fiber is synthetic fiber or cloth is strong and last for a long time. Whereas natural fibers, they do not last for a long time. These are stretchable, wrinkle free and waterproof. Last is care of clothes. We should take good care of clothes. Clothes should be washed well with a good soap to remove dirt, stains and sweat. After washing, clothes should be dried in the sun. After drying, clothes should be ironed. Clothes should be kept neatly in cupboard and almirah. Woolen and silk clothes should be dry cleaned or washed carefully. Woolen and silk clothes should be stored properly. They should be kept with mothballs or dried neem leaves. These protect them from small insects like moth and silver fish. Good care of clothes make them last longer. Thank you, and please